How to withdraw money from PrizePicks. So this is very easy. I'll leave this article as a pinned comment. How do I withdraw funds? You can request a withdrawal to any bank account, PayPal account or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. Now you can click on this link here, the blue one, and it's going to take us to the withdrawal page directly if you're using a PC. Now if you want to request a withdrawal, you will need to navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of your PrizePicks app. So if you're using the app on your phone, you gotta click on the menu in the top left corner, and if you're accessing it on a browser, then the menu is in the top right corner. From here you can select request withdrawal. Then you will receive a one-time password called by email as soon as you request your withdrawal, and no further action is needed on your part. You will be sent an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. So that's basically how you do it. You type the amount and you can withdraw to your debit card, PayPal or bank account. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.